Thanks. So Morgan Louden and my company is Candan Rayatech. We're based in Ontario, Canada, close to Toronto. And we've been a company around since 1988, manufacturing and distributing different products for children in pediatrics and in accessibility. So I started working with Protac uh, due to knowing the right people and being in the right place in the right time. So, always working with children and solutions in pediatrics and rehab. When I found out that Natasha was moving to a new challenge, a new career in Protac, I kind of realized that this is a great fit for what we do already in Canada with great solution, potentially a great solution. That's something that I've always been looking for when I've been working with children for so many years, sometimes in different scenarios that having struggles related to sensory integration, and then learning that Natasha was working with Protac uh, opened up a new door for a new relationship and then really something unique to bring to Canada to help a lot of children. So when I learned about Protac, I thought right away this would be something for Canada, something that is unique, innovative, intuitive, a simple solution that could have a huge benefit to a lot of children that I've worked with over the years where I didn't know how to help them. And when I learned about Protac and what I was told it could do, but then when I saw what it did, really impressed me. It was right away evident that this solution, these type of solutions made with balls, simply balls, but how they were built and how they are impacting positively the children we work with, not only children but evidently adults as well will benefit this as well. It just gave me such it really, for me, it was just something that I knew right away I had to really jump into it and try it out. And I really had, now I actually see the difference it can make as well when I've been trying it out with kids already. Already at this point, I've had such positive feedback from a lot of the users that have been trying it, not only the children and the students that have been working with it, but the educational assistants that work with the kids in schools as well, that are able to voice what the children sometimes can't tell us. The workers that are with these children every day in school were able and were sharing with me some of the positive changes and outcomes immediately that would happen when they were trying some of the products out. For instance, the sense it was something that you could immediately sometimes see for a lot of students, how it was able to help them with the de-escalation and calming down almost immediately. So for some children, it was incredible to see, and I saw it with my own eyes, and I became like really right away was able to understand that there is science behind these innovative solutions. That it's just not a chair, it's just not a vest, it's just not an actual lap blanket, but it's actually has really a deeper scientific something is happening in those children's minds that they can't tell us about, but we can see that it does actually really provide some positive positive outcome to them as well, positive effect. So I for Canada, working with Protac between Canada, Candan, and Protac, I think there is a tremendous path forward for us as we grow together. Right now, we are in one little area of Canada, and I think that this will be able to go across to lots of different areas, lots of different jurisdictions across Canada as we grow together, implementing not only one solution, but different solutions for multiple populations of clients out there. So working from children, I think the application can work for adults as well, of all different ages as well, for senior care, elderly care, from sleeping. The key thing for everybody to sleep well at night can be achieved not only for children who have trouble sleeping, but for adults, potentially with memory care, dementia, Alzheimer's. psychiatric anxiety. There's just a huge, I think, need for this. Evidently, right now, mental health is something that a lot of people are struggling with. Sensory integration as well. We're overstimulated. I think all of us with our devices and such, and I think Protac can help with that ability to help with calming behavior and allowing people to concentrate, focus of all ages. So recently, Protac came to visit me for a week, and we were able to organize a week of traveling from children's treatment centers and visiting different dealers that we are partnering with in Canada and able to work with children at the same time. And it was a big help in the sense of it really brought back the education, the experience that Denmark has had with Protac for many years, a product that's been established in the Danish market already, something that's practiced and utilized. And we are just at our infancy of how to utilize their solutions. So it gave us a sense of understanding what are the best practices and what is the possible outcomes by starting to utilize these actual solutions, and meeting with an audience of occupational therapists and other therapists in the same room talking with Protac and their team. We were able to really understand the potential value that is to come as we embark on this sort of new path together. For new partners that are just starting to consider or starting to work with Protac solutions, my advice is to try it. You have to just try it. You have to see it, touch it, feel it, and actually try the solution. Although you can read about it and think this is what it is, but until you actually see what it can do, that's when it is actually simply amazing what it does for this, for the right clientele, the right client, the right child, the right adult, the child, the adult who needs that actual sensory integration, that solution that can really help them. I would say you just have to try it.